Hello students, good afternoon to all of you. In our previous lecture we have discussed the motor characteristics and some general feature of the traction motors, which is including electrical or mechanical. So today in this continuation we will discuss the parallel operation of series motor with unequal wheel diameter. Basically there are not only a single motor is used for the traction purpose, there are more than one motors is used for the traction purpose. And when the number of motors are more than one, then we can say that they are arranged in parallel or in series. So the here we will discuss that which type of arrangement or which type of combination is better or best suitable for the traction purpose, the series or the parallel or the combination of the series and parallel. So in this way we will discuss the parallel operation of series motor with unequal wheel diameter. So as we know that electric locomotive use more than one motor, and each motor drive different set of axles and wheels. Due to wear and tear, the diameter of wheels become different, okay, after a long service, but the linear speed of locomotive and wheels will be the same. Therefore the motor speed will be different due to difference in diameter of wheel driven by them, as shown in figure 43.21. Therefore when the motors are connected in parallel, they will not share the torque equally, as the current shared by them will be different. So this is the figure 43.21. Here the IA1 is the armature 1 current for the first motor, IA2 is the armature current for the second motor, and just because of IA1, the T1 is the torque and N1 is the speed, and the IA, because of the IA2, the T2 is the torque and N2 is the speed. Okay, so let the motor wheel ratio is 1.04:1, that is speed of rotation of motor 1 is 1.04 times that of motor 2, as shown in this figure. So the let motor 1 drive wheel with 100 cm dia. It may be possible that a wheel having the 100 cm dia and the another wheel having the 104 cm dia, then the motor 2 drive that wheel, then the speed of rotation of motor 1 will be 104 upon 100, which is the 1.04 times that of 2, that of motor 2. Okay, that is N2 is equals to 1.04 N1 for a given speed of locomotive. Okay, so this is the parallel operation of the series motor for the parallel operation of the series motor. Okay, now the series operation of the series motor. It may be possible that the series motor are connected in series, so it will be discussed in next lecture. So I think it's all for today. Thank you very much.